Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to go over 7 different ways that you can make money online. Now all these ways that you can make money is online income, which is classed as passive income, which means that it's not easy money. It does require some work up front, as the money doesn't come that fast with passive income, and it is a long game basically. So you're not going to necessarily be able to do something now where you can actually make money the next week or even the next month, which a lot of people are often make it believable that that's the case, but that's not actually how it works. But anyway, to get started, the first way that you can actually make money online is with a YouTube channel. Now again, just as I've explained, if you start a YouTube channel, it's a slow process, no matter which way you go about it. I mean, there are things that you can do to speed up the process, like with anything, and to get going quicker, but either way still requires work and it still requires time in order to basically get any level of success with that. But once you do start getting lots of views, there's a lot of ways in which YouTube channels can be monetized. The most obvious one is via AdSense, where basically you get paid for the amount of views that you actually get, and it can vary as well with regards to the topic of your videos, because some topics for channels make more than other ones. So a channel that focuses on finance or the auto industry might make more than a viral video channel, for example. So that can vary. The CPM, it varies lots with regards to that. But again, that is the first way that you can make money with a YouTube channel. Now, the other way that you can make money with a YouTube channel is the affiliate side of things, whereas you might typically get somebody that'll do reviews on the channel, and they'll review a product and then basically put a link, usually on Amazon, below to that product, and anybody that then clicks that link and buys that product, they get a small commission off that. Now, it's only a small commission, but again, it's a numbers game, because basically if you can get to the point where you're getting a lot of views, and you get, obviously the more views you get, the more links, more times the link gets clicked, the more money you make. It's a snowball kind of effect there. Now, to move on, the second way that you can make money online is with a blog or a website. Now again, a blog or a website, in some ways it's similar to a YouTube channel in the respect that it can be on any kind of topic, what you decide to do, what you decide to make it on. Some are more successful than others. With regards to this, you're better off doing your own research, but as well as that, it's all about basically where your talents lie and where your interests lie, because if you try making a YouTube channel or a blog or a website on any subject where you don't have any knowledge whatsoever, you're going to struggle, because you won't be able to get those creative juices flowing to create enough decent content. So that's the second one there. Again, it's similar to the YouTube channel as well. Basically, you can have advertisements on your website, and as well as affiliate links on there as well. They both, I mean, it can vary. There's a lot of websites where you might get a 50-50 spread, where they're making half of the money from ads or half of the money from the affiliate links. In some cases it can be one or either. Some ads, you might get some websites where they basically a lot of the content is kind of like celebrity kind of stuff, so basically they're going for the views, and if they go for a lot of views, then they'll probably make the money with advertisements on the website. Whereas other ones might be more focused review type websites. They're more likely to be affiliate type websites, because they'll be reviewing products, writing reviews about products, and they want people to then click the links and purchase the products to make money that way. So again, with YouTube, there's like the different ways that you can make the money there. Now the third one again ties into the first two in some ways, which is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing in its basic terms is basically people that will run advertisements for products or services, and then they usually, they link up to those. Now, the advertisements that they can do, some people will do Facebook ads, where basically they'll run the advertisements on Facebook, pay so much money for them, and hopefully have a good conversion rate with the advertisements to make enough money back to cover the initial outlay which they've paid for the advertisements. And they can also do this with regards to what they call native ads. So when you're viewing a website or a blog and you see the advertisements within those pages, they're what they call native ads. And again, it's a similar kind of deal where they basically create the advertisements and run the ad campaigns, which will then usually lead to a website where they'll have the landing page, which will then lead on to the offer that they're actually promoting. Now again, with affiliate marketing, it's one of those things where you'll see numerous videos online with everybody. They make it seem kind of easy, and to be honest, it's like most things in life. It is easy if you know how to do it, but if you don't know how to do it, it's one of those things which can take a long time to actually master and learn. It's not just as simple as, oh, you can just create a simple advertisement and it'll make you thousands of pounds. It doesn't quite work that way, unless, you know, if you're really good, if they've got the knowledge, then yeah, somebody that's got the knowledge can probably create an advertisement which will give them more money back than they've actually initially outlaid in creating the advertisement. But again, it is something that if you're interested, there's a lot of knowledge out there. You've got to kind of weed through all the rubbish to get the good knowledge, but if you do so, there is actually good knowledge out there with regards to that. And again, it's one of these things where practice makes perfect. You have to do it. You're not going to just read about it or watch a video about it and learn how to do it like some of these professional marketers, these super affiliates as they call themselves. It's a gradual thing, it's a gradual game, but that is another way that you can make money online. Now, the fourth way that I have that you can make money online is via an ebook, creating an ebook. Now, this is something that a lot of people in the past have started off with, and with regards to this, basically, the best way that this can be done is via Amazon. And what you do basically is you choose a topic, again, choosing a topic that is kind of central to your interests and where you think you can, you know, offer suitable advice for people, offer good advice. You create an ebook on that subject, and then you basically get it onto Amazon and market it. And again, if it's on the right kind of niche and if it's a quality product that you're creating there, it will get sales and it will generate income. Now, how much income does depend on exactly kind of how good it is, really. It's one of those things. But if you do manage to produce something really great, you can actually make a substantial amount of income via just creating an ebook. And so the next one is to offer a service online. So we're talking about things such as websites such as Fiverr, where you can basically outsource some sort of service that you can do or offer. And it could be anything. It could be from manipulating images, building websites. It could be literally anything, any service that you can offer for another person, what they can't do, where they need somebody that can do that service. If you can do that, if you have some sort of skill, and I like to think that at least everybody's got something, at least one thing that they can do, that they can offer as some sort of service to people. And if you have that, if you like that, then you can put yourself on these websites where you can offer your service to other people and make money that way. Sometimes, if it's a good service that you offer and you're actually good at it, good enough at it, you can actually make a substantial amount of income quite quickly with this method. So that's the sixth one. The seventh method that I have is basically, this is a bit more of an old school one, but I think you can still do it as in today's day, which is to flip, buy and flip things on eBay. So it might involve actually physically picking products up from shops, getting them cheap, and then just selling them online for a profit. and a lot of people have done that and made a lot of money. Now again, it's like whatever you do selling online that way, again, you have to, it's like everything else, you have to do your research, get your knowledge to make sure that you can actually sell something to make a profit. Otherwise, it's not going to happen. You're not going to do it. You need to know where the value is in everything. But in the past, people have done this basically, where they'll go to garage sales, charity shops, anything you see of value anywhere there, where you can pick it up cheap. You can often find on places like eBay, there's people that are willing to pay quite a good sum of money in order to get something that they desire. So that's the 7th way that you can make money online. And again, like I've explained previously, I mean, all these ways of making money online, they are quite possible. Now, you will get some people online that make it sound really easy with regards to doing everything and making money online, but it's not. I mean, it's like I've explained, if you start a YouTube channel or if you start a blog or a website, even if you make an ebook, these are things where it's going to take a while. It's, you know, you're not going to, I mean, if you have the knowledge and you gain the knowledge, even if you've failed, you can come back stronger and basically have a running start. You know, if you do it again, or if you keep at it, you know, it will get easier. But again, it still takes a while to create that content. But once you've got that content, what you've created, then effectively you've put the time and you've put the effort into it, and it's always working for you. Again, I mean, with any of these, I would recommend choosing what you feel fits your skill set best and giving it a try. Because like with anything in life, if you procrastinate and you don't try anything, nothing will happen. That's a guaranteed outcome. That's a given. So any of these you can try. You may have limited success, you may have huge success, but again, it's one of these things where you won't know if you don't try. So you have to give it a try and basically go from there. So anyway, that's the end of this video. I hope you've liked it. I hope you've got some value from it. Don't forget to give it a like if you like it, and you can drop a comment telling me what you think about this video, and also subscribe to the channel if you like my content, and hope to produce more valuable content in the near future. Apart from that, really, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.